My best friend and amazing person from day walk with her. I can come every day. Her name is Matty with our friends. She school. My best friend loves to spend time talking about late and people sentimental and emotional situations. She enjoys sharing her family time page, both home and sharing quality time with every youth. She doesn't like to spend cool of odd people and doesn't like as either and she also doesn't like to in sweet and go out to parties. Game Chen goes a chill cold down and one every gets women tanking into accommodate committees that adult breeds.